Hi everyone, welcome to Maths video class 6th. We are on chapter 8 and next topic is lowest common multiple, that is LCM. LCM stands for lowest common multiple. So it is the smallest number which is exactly divisible by each of the given number. Means once we find LCM for the given numbers, those numbers will divide LCM completely. Okay, so that we will see in detail, right? For example, now if we have found LCM of these two numbers 15 and 25, the LCM of 15 and 25 is 75. So 75 will be divisible by 15 completely and 75 will also be divisible by 25 completely. Okay, so what does it mean? That the LCM which we have found is divisible by all the numbers. Okay, all the numbers means the numbers which are given to find out for LCM. Okay, so that's the reason why we say it is the smallest number which is exactly divisible by each of the given numbers. So now directly we'll start exercise 8C. The reason is by starting exercise 8C, we'll start studying methods of finding LCM. Okay, whichever method you feel better, you can go with it. So let us see. Using question number 1, exercise 8C, question number 1, using the common multiple method, find LCM of the following. So the three numbers are, so here we are using common multiple method. So 8, 12 and 24. 8, 12 and 24. Of these three numbers, we have to find out LCM. Okay. So M of 8 means multiples of 8, multiples of 12 and multiples of 24. Now you will see, now you will ask, Miss, what is this multiple of 8, multiple of 12, multiple of 12, 24? In case of HCF, you have seen what are factors. Now in case of LCM, you will see what are multiples. Multiples are nothing but your tables. For example, M of 8 means you have to write tables of 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 48, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, and if needed you can continue 88, 96. Okay. So here also M of 12 means table of 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120. You can continue if needed. M of 24 means table of 24, that is called as multiples of 24, means 24 ones are 24, 24 twos are 48, 24 threes are 72, 96, 120, 144, 168, 192, 216 and 240. If needed, you can continue. So what it is? So M of 8 means multiples of 8. So these are all multiples of 8. These are all multiples of 12. These are all multiples of 24. Okay. So first what you have to do in this common multiple method, list out all the multiples. At least 10 to 15 multiples you should write, more in general. Okay, 10 to 15 or according to your requirement. So M of 8, multiples of 8 is 8, 16, 24, 32. This we have seen. Multiples of 12 we have seen. Multiples of 24. Okay. Now, in this common multiples, common means which are there in all the three. Which are there in all these three. M of 8, M of 12 and M of 24. Right? But it is not allowed that it should be there, it is there in any two. It should be there, it should be common in all these three given numbers. So if that list we make, so it is 24, 48 and 72. Okay. So what I have written is common multiples which are present in all the three only should be taken. So 24, 48 and 72. So LCM of 8, 12 and 24 is what is LCM? Lowest common multiple. So in this, which is lowest common multiple? 24 is lowest common multiple. So we say that LCM of 8, 12 and 24 is 24. Okay. So similarly, second one 10, 15 and 24. So list out M of 10, M of 15 and M of 24. That is multiples of 10. So I have written all the multiples of 10. You can see here 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 20 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40 and so on. Similarly, M of 15, 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, then 60, 75, 90 and so on. M of 24, 24, 48, 72, 96, 60 also, 60 should be written here. 120, 144, 168, 192 and so on. Okay, so here what is common? Common is 60 and 120. So 60 and 120. Okay, the 60 is not there, children. 60 is not there in M of 24. So 60 is cancelled. This is not there. Okay, this is not common. So here I will cancel. So what is common is here 120, here 120 and here 120. If we'll extend this, we'll get more common multiples. Okay. So only 120 is common in all the three. So we say that 120 is only the LCM of 10, 15 and 24. Okay, 60 is been cancelled. Cancel means 60 is there in only M of 10 and M of 15. It is not there in M of 24. It is not considered to be common. Okay, common is 120 only. So 120 is LCM of 10, 15 and 24. Then 3, 6, 9 and 12. So M of 3, you know the table of 3. M of 6, I have written all the multiples of 6. M of 9, multiples of 9. Multiples of 9 means table of 9. M of 12, table of 12. Okay. So in this, if I have checked, I have got say 36 as common multiple. So I have written 36. If you will extend, you will get more numbers. But we want smallest. So in this, what is smallest multiple? That will be 36 only. If I'll extend from here, I'll get more. If I'll extend here, I'll get more numbers of common multiples. But I want smallest, so I can stop here. So 36. So LCM of 3, 6, 9, 12 is 36 only. Okay. Now question number 2 is find the LCM of each of the following groups of numbers using the prime factor method and the common division method. So first we will solve using prime factor method. Now we have seen common multiple method. This was common multiple method. What is common multiple method? List out all the multiples of the given numbers and then find out the smallest common multiple. Okay, that is what is LCM. Now question number 2 includes two methods, the prime factor method and the common division method. Okay, so first we will solve, means they have said clearly that we have to solve the given numbers. If you can see the question, we have to solve these given numbers. We have to solve this given example 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times for prime factor method and 5 times for the common division method. Okay, twice we have to solve each. Means for this both the methods, for this both the methods, like that. So what we are going to do is first we will use prime factor method to solve all these 5 and then we will be using the common division method to solve all these. Okay. So let us see what is prime factor method. So prime factor method includes obviously prime numbers. Okay, it is very easy. You should know to find out. You should know to find prime factorization, which you have studied in 5th standard. Don't worry, I am going to explain it here also. So find out LCM of 18, 24 and 96 with the help of prime factor method. So 18. So Let us find the prime factors of 18. So how to find 18? Write down 18. 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. This is the way you can find out prime factors. You have to use only prime numbers. See again. 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So what are the prime factors of 18? 2, 3 and 3. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. So I have written 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. It is this. And 2 raised to 1 multiplied by 3 raised to 2. 1, 2. So 3 raised to 2. Okay. So 24. Check here. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 6 are 12. 3, why I do this? 3, again 2 I can take here. 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. See again, 2 12s are 24, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. Okay. So 2, here 2 into 2 into 2 multiplied by 3. So 2 into 2 into 2 multiplied by 3. 2 how many times? 1, 2, 3. So 2 raised to 3 multiplied by 3 how many times? 3 one time. So 1 here. Okay. Similarly, we can see for 96. 96 divided by 2. 2 4s are 8, carry 1. So 16. 2 8s are 16. We are doing division. So understand children, oral division it is 2 4s are 8. 9 minus 8, 1, 16. 2 8s are 16. Then 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So 12. 2 6 are 12. 2 3s are 6. 3 1s are 3. It is nothing but division. 96 divided by 2, 48. 48 divided by 2, 24. 24 divided by 2, 12. 12 divided by 2, 6. 6 divided by 2, 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. Okay. So these are all factors we have to write here. 2 how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have written 5 times here. So 2 raised to 5 multiplied by this 1, 3. So 1, 3. And here 3 raised to 1 because 3 is only one time. Okay. So first you have to list out in such ways. After this, what you will do is product. See this step. Product of LCM is product of all the prime factors obtained with highest power of each. Now, which numbers are there? 2 is there. 3 is there. Here also 2, 3. 2, 3. Okay. Means 2 and 3 are common. Right? So what I have to do is write 2 and 3. 2 and 3 will be written. If one 5 is also there, you have to write that 5 also. Means one time each number should come with highest power. What is this highest power? Highest power is 1 and 2. Which is highest? Sorry, let us see, compare all the 2's. 2, 2, 2. 1, 3 and 5. These are the powers. 1, 3 and 5. Which is the highest? 5 is the highest. So 2 raised to 5. So write 2 raised to 5 because it is highest. Now in 3 let us compare. 3 raised to 2, 3 raised to 1 and 3 raised to 1. So 2 and 1, which is highest? 2 is highest. So this power is highest, 3 raised to 2. So we have to take it 3 raised to 2. Now 2 raised to 5 is 32. How? 2 raised to 5 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. Multiplication. 2 multiplied by 2, 4. 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So that 32 I have written here. Multiplied by 3 square means 3 multiplied by 3. Not 3 2s are 6. 3 multiplied by 3. 3 3s are 9. So 32 into 9 is 288. Okay, that is the LCM. Same way we have to do this also. 100, 150 and 200. So hundreds prime factorization you have to do. You can see a 100. So 2 5s are, see, 2 5s are 10 and this 0. 2 2s are 4, carry 1, 2 5s are 10. Means 50 divided by 2 is 25. 25 comes in 5's table. So 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. So 2, so see, this 2, 2, 5, 5. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. So 2 how many times? 1, 2. So here 2 multiplied by 5 how many times? 2 times. So write here 2. So 150 also same way. I have started with 2. 2 7s are 14. 2 5s are 10. 5 1s are 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 3s are 15. 3 1s are 3. Means 150 divided by 2 gives 75. Now 5 is there at units place means it will be divisible by 5. So 75 divided by 5, 15. 15 divided by 5, 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. So I have written here 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. 2, 3, 5, 5. Okay. So now 2 how many times? 1 time. 3 how many times? 1 time. 5 how many times? 2 times. So write like this parts. Okay. Then 200 also same way. I have solved it. Please check. 200 divided by 2, 100. 100 divided by 2, 150. 100 divided by 2, 50. 50 divided by 2, 25. 25 divided by 5, 5. 5 divided by 5, 1. Okay. So it is all division. So write it here. I have written here 2 how many times? 3 times. So 2 raised to 3. 5 how many times? 2 times. So 5 raised to 2. Now what is LCM is? Check how many numbers are involved. So 2 is there, 5 is there and 3 is there. 2, 3 and 5. Okay. 2, 3 and 5. Now we have to check their highest value. So 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 3. Which is highest? 2 raised to 3 is highest. So take 2 raised to 3. Now in 3, you can see there is no 3 here. Here is 1 time and here there is no 3. So whatever is there, that way you have to take. That is 3 raised to 1. And 5, 5 square, 5 square, 5 square. So 5 square is the highest power. So we will take 5 square. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 2 3 times, 5 2 times and 3 1 time. Multiply all and get 600. Okay. So rest are homework children. You can do it. I will show you. Third, fourth. This third and fourth are homework with fifth one. So with the first method you have to do it. Okay. Please go through video twice because I know little confusion will be there. It is lengthy method. Don't worry, we'll have small method also. Okay, and that only you have to use. This is just for knowing the method. Okay, thank you so much and please take care and watch video twice or thrice because that is needed. Thank you so much and please take care.